It's not just some fast food job where you're just like whatever, day to day, doesn't matter. I mean, you're putting stuff in the sky, people fly on this, so you got to make sure you do good, and it really gives you the motivation to, do a good job. I heard about PIA through a career services representative coming to my high school and telling us about the course. I used to take a lot of engineering classes in high school, and I thought, well, this is perfect. I love engineering, I love aircraft, great way to merge them. I always wanted to work with my hands. I wanted to have I didn't want to go into a 4-year college and do book work forever. I wanted to do a tech school. And I was looking at other electronics courses, engineering and stuff, but the aviation aspect of PIA was perfect for what I wanted to do. The most beneficial department for me at PIA was probably 7th quarter instructors, because they have the shop. They provide everything you're going to need, test equipment, bench testing. I mean, they are literally preparing you for the job, and once you step out into an avionics field, you're not going to need much more practice to be able to do the job. I mean, you're basically doing it right there. They're just going to train you on more specific equipment. I would say for a student wanting to get into a program like this, if you have a knack for mechanics or electronics and you even have half an interest in aviation, you gotta come here, because you're not gonna get this anywhere else.